Yes, the next demo I'm going through is booking spa appointments. So what's different with spa appointments is that you have two resources normally. So you're reserving a therapist and you're reserving a room for the treatment. So and also in the cases with appointments, spa appointments, then normally the customer has some kind of preferences. So which are either they want to select certain therapist for the treatment. So I'll show how you book spa appointment from the Roll Center, and also how you can book a spa appointment through the matrix view. So here I have a product massage 30 minutes, and on the lower section of the screen we have the availability for this particular treatment. This product has the setup for availability to shown per resource. So because it's quite common that spa appointments are based on the resource, so you can choose on the product that it's actually showing availability not just for the product but per resource. So I'm going to select here Monday 26 and Dorit as the therapist. So I have here availability on Monday 8. So I'm going to create new activity. Just click on new activity, and I'm searching for the client, which is here Britt Thompson. Hit OK, and now I have the appointment card. So from this date I just hit OK, and this particular appointment is booked. I can also do this booking and have it have the system automatically select the client based on preferences. Select the resource based on preferences. So I'm going to show you how that can be done. So I select here availability 27th of March to Tuesday, and in this case the client is asking for Jessica, and I hit new activity. I select my client here, Britt, again, coming again for massage. Hit OK, and I get the appointment card. And I could have additional charges. There could be some additional charges added to the treatment, and also the treatments could have tasks related to this. So for example, after the treatment we need to clean up the room, so this solution is also making sure we trigger the tasks necessary either prior to the appointment or after the appointment. In this case, Britt is asked for Jessica, and we can see that here. If we click on here on the resources, we see Jessica is already selected as the resource for this particular appointment. Since she asked for Jessica, we're going to assign Jessica as her preference, as the client's preference. So we can here hit assign preference, and the solution system asks, do you want to assign Jessica Kannigberg as this client's, Britt Thompson's, first preference? So basically it's asking, do we really want to add this therapist as the preference for the client? So now we've registered this request as the client's preference. I can simply now hit OK. The appointment will be confirmed, and Jessica is set as the therapist, and the room was actually automatically reserved. So what happens next if we would book appointment for Britt? This solution would automatically assign Jessica if Jessica will be available for the treatment. So this was booking this spa appointment through the role center, but we can also book this through the matrix views. So if I click on matrix, I get the spa matrix, so to speak. We get the times here on the left. We get the therapists on the top, and I've defined this matrix to show us 3 days. So we can book an appointment just directly from here from the matrix. So I just click on available time here on the 31st Saturday. Click on the time. I get what kind of treatment. I select 30 minutes massage, hit OK, and it's Max Baker, and appointment is created. I just hit OK and will be confirmed. So now we get the additional appointment created and using Jessica as the therapist. From the matrix, I can also just click on the appointments here, and you see the fact boxes here on the right updated, and I can switch between days, or I can go to a certain date. I can select different template for the matrix if needed, and I can also just click on appointment and open up the activity if I need to modify or take a look at the details. So this was booking appointment in spa based on the therapist, or basically choose the therapist in that process. And now let's do the same thing through the point of sale. So I'll just open the POS, and we'll do the same thing from the point of sale. So basically choose the product. In this case, massage 30 has here is set as a button on the pause. I click on massage 30, I select the date, and I get list of availability. So if you get the list, and again, since this product is showing availability per therapist, I can choose directly the therapist here. Jessica is quite popular these days, so I'm selecting Jessica, hit OK. The client, Sabina, and she wants some additional products added to the treatment. So the sale is placed in the pause. The appointment is actually already reserved, and now I just hit total, finalize it through the pause.